Yep, good.
Okay, so I've just demonstrated there how to roll your mud and actually spread it. The second thing I want to do now is actually, when we've got two bricks, I want to join them together. I want to show you actually how to butter a brick. Alright? Firstly, I'll show you how not to butter a brick, how to do it wrong. Alright? So what we do, we get our mud like that. Now, first thing is we've got to keep it on our trowel. Right? So what's going to happen? It falls off the trowel. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is create some suction on our trowel. So what we do, there's two ways. Firstly, we can flick it. Alright? Now what's going to happen? Hopefully that's going to stay on there. Alright? And I'll demonstrate by putting it over Bill's head. It stays there. Alright? So we know if we create a suction on the trowel, it's going to stay there. So firstly I'm going to show you how to do it, how I do it, then I'll slow it down and show you how to do it properly. Alright? So firstly what we do, that's what we do. Now there's about 15 mil of mud on your brick. We only want 10 mil. So when we actually lay the brick together, we push it on the brick like so. We've got a 10 mil joint. Okay? That's how we butter our brick. Now I'll demonstrate on the wall and then we'll carry on, alright? And I'll put the two together, rolling the mud, spreading the mud, buttering the brick and laying it together on the and also I'll incorporate our level in our bricks, okay? So we roll the mud, like so, spreading it along our building line. We've got enough mud on our wall to actually lay two bricks. Now when we've laid that first brick, we need to level it to make sure that we're running level, okay? As demonstrated before when Bill did it, the bubble has to be in between those two lines. Little tap and we're there. Secondly, again, we'll butter our brick. Now then, I forgot to say, but I'll say it now, there's two ways in which to create some suction on your trowel. There's that way I showed you when you flick it, or if you can't do that, just get some mud on the end of your trowel, tap it on the mud board, same thing, it stays there. Alright, so what I'll do now, I'll butter the brick, like so. Lay it down, get a 10 mil. Again, we know this brick's level. We level this one off this one. Through. Okay. Now then, we've got our two bricks. The measurement should be 470. And there we go, 470 mil. Okay. Done. Now then, what I need to do is show you an easy way. If you can't butter a brick how I showed you like that, I showed you like that, there is a simpler way. Again, put your mud, put it on there. Now we need to create suction on our brick because it's going to fall off. Okay, so we need to create some suction on our brick. So what we do, put it on there, just push the middle in, both sides, and there we have it.
Again.
Okay, I'll do it again just to show you. A little bit of mud, put it on there, create some suction, put it there, there, and there. And there we have enough mud, again, to lay the brick. and have a 10mm joint, like so. There. Okay? Done.